Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today this is going to be my second video for Globleland. I was contacted by the company and asked if I would do a review of some of their products. So I went over there and picked out some dies. I believe it was last week I had my unboxing. So today what we're going to do is actually do our die cutting. I will be doing this with my big kick, as you see here. So yeah, and I went ahead and started playing around because I was so excited, especially the birds, guys. I am in love with the birds. But yeah, before I go any further, all of the information for Globleland will be in the description box below. There will also be a coupon code for you to get a discount off of your total order. That will also be in the description box below, along with the direct link to their website, as well as a link to the products that I will be showing you guys today. So let's see, I'm fiddling around over here. Yeah, so it will be a 10% discount. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I did pick out some. It was actually 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock that I had actually got on the market haul, Facebook market haul that I got. Yeah, Facebook Marketplace. So I picked out some, and these are actually the little Rolodex cards here. So that is these dies right here that I showed you guys in the unboxing. I'm going to pause you guys and see if I can find some more light. It looks a little dark. Hold on just a moment. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Hopefully that is just a little bit better. When I have it on high, I have this huge glare right here. So, but yeah, so I went ahead and started playing around, and I absolutely love these. So we have these, but I will do a demonstration as to, you know, how easy and how well they actually cut out, guys. And I have already done some of each. So we have the Rolodex cards, and then in this set was 3 different birds. So there's those, and guys, look at these birds. How stinking cute are these birds? Look at how cute. Look at them. Aren't they just darling? I know I got a glare, so I apologize. So we have some purple ones. This is like a cream cardstock here. So we have these little birds here, so cute. And then we have these that I did. This is kind of a brownish looking color. And then of course you guys know I had to do my pink. Look at how pretty those are. I cannot wait to play with these. So those are the birds, and I have got to find a special place to put these, because I will most certainly be using all of these cute little birds. I was just tickled pink when they came out. And then guys, we have the snowflakes, and again I just did these in the off-white. I didn't have any, or cream color. I didn't have any like white, but you know, who says snowflakes? Last Christmas I actually had black and white snowflakes that I had put on a project. So look at how pretty they are. So those are snowflakes. So we are going to put those there, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I have this one closed, so we will go ahead and start with that one. But I also think one of the birds would fit on there as well. So you just take your cardstock, which is what I use, or your paper of choice, and just show you how easy this is. So I'm just going to put that one there, and then my snowflakes here. And then just put that over the top. Then we're going to turn it around and just put it through there. And then take this off, guys. Look, 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 look. Absolutely love it. So, just that easy. There are our birds. And look at how pretty they are. Gorgeous. Perfectly cut. Beautiful birds. So, there are some more birds to go in our stash. And then we have the snowflakes. Here. And then that one. So all I do is just kind of work it just a little bit. Of course, some of these can be fiddly, so you do have to be careful not to break it. But as you can see, I'm not really being that careful, and it just came right out of there. See, look how cute. Alright, so then we have this one. Just gonna work it through there just a little. To get those out of there. Just a little bit back and forth. And we do have, you know, this pokey tool. If you have those, you can use those. Just to go through there and just poke it down. Of course, I don't want that one. It's very, very sharp. But you could just do that to get those through there. Just go around those corners like that. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Doorbell. Hold on just a moment. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I actually had a delivery. So yeah, just work those out. There we go. So there is our snowflake. Sorry about the glare. So now we have more snowflakes to go in our stash. So you could do like all kinds of color of snowflakes. Okay. So now we will pick a different color. We've already done those. And we're going to do the other two birds. And I actually think I want to do some in this green right here. Yep, I think I'll do some in the green. So we'll put that one there. And then this one here. We'll make our little sandwich there. Hopefully. Okay, not sure what's happening there because just did fine. Okay, let's see. Alright, there we go. Alright. So now we have these. Look at how pretty. And those come out so easily off of there. And look at our birds. Just that quick, and you have this many birds that you can play around with. Aren't they just darling? Love those birds. Alright. So now we are going to do these. Go ahead and do 2 at a time, and we will have our, well, you know what we need, right? Paper. Got so excited I'm forgetting my paper over here. Jeez. Okay, let's do it this way. Got too excited. Alright. So, we just make our sandwich. Just roll that through. And there we go. Aren't those cute? I love these. Look at how cute that is. Those are going to be so much fun. And they just fit right down. I actually have a vintage Rolodex, and they fit right down in there like absolutely perfect. Alright, so I'm going to just put this up through here, which is the way I keep it stored. And we'll get that down. And we will just show off in no time at all the die cuts that we have. Alright, so we have all of these. I have fumble fingers here. Rolodex cards. So we have all of these. So we will be playing with some of these in the next video. In this one I just wanted to show how easy they are to die cut. So we have those. And then we have, guys, I gotta find something to put them in, all of these different birds. Just bukus of birds here already. And I really only played around for, you know, a few minutes before I got on camera. And then we just played around for a few minutes. And we have all of these birds. I got a snowflake up in there somewhere. Look at how cute. And I am in love with the pink ones, so before I put that up, I will probably sit here and cut out some more of the pink ones. So we have all of these little birdies here. And then, of course, all of our snowflakes here. Oop, there's a bird that got lost. Look at how pretty. Yep, and then our snowflakes. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Again, this is for Globleland. And all of their information will be in my description box below. And you can get 10% off your entire order. And the discount code is AMS10. So again, that is off your complete order. I will make sure in my description box is a link to Globleland's website, as well as all the items that they sent me here. So I absolutely love them. Alright guys, can't wait till the next video when we actually play around with these. I'm super excited to make stuff. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.